Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that BOBO token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, BOBO is a community driven meme coin themed around the BOBO the bear, internet character created purely for entertainment and culture expression within crypto circles. Culture meme token. It embodies the Bobo the bear character, a popular meme and used to satirize poor investments and bearish sentiment in finance. Technical simplicity. The token features a renounced contract, burned liquidity, and zero transaction taxes, making it immutable and community owned. Community and NFTs. Its ecosystem is driven by social media engagement and includes the Bobo Council NFT collection, fostering a dedicated holders base. Bobo project institution rating is 3.7. Bobo token total supplies 66.48 trillion and circulating supplies around 66.13 trillion. Bobo token is listed on lbankxt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.